Aka na-amapụ ozu afọ. Oge ebube agụ na-eche agụ. Ebube agụ na-eche agụ. Ebube agụ na-eche agụ. Ewu! Azọkpa dị mma ije. A na-eje nyi eje mba mana. Ihe adị ekwegharị n'azụ o. Ihe adị ekwegharị azụ ọ bụla ezie. Otago ụzọ lu owu maga na ọjị ili anụ. Otago ụzọ lu owu maga na ọjị ilu ọnụ. Ewu! is prince of a great land, from east, north, and south. Come and empower him. Come and beckon all of you. Come! Danu mabani amangwa mabaludike. Danu mabani amangwa mabaludike. Danu mabani amangwa mabaludike obulesia. Ewoi! Ewoi! Anagwa bude lugelu. Ose so ipa nwunya agbakwa n'ọsọ. Ose cho na pa nwunya agba n'ọsọ bulesie. Ewo! Iya na chizugbo n'odogwu o. Iya na chizugbo n'odogwu o. Danu meni odogwu. Danu meni odogwu. Ewu! Ya na cho. Obi esikwa gị ike. Obi esikwa gị ike. Nwata na-amụ ili enu. Obi sie enyi ike. Time has come for you to become immortal. The time is now. Enter the casket. Because hour has come. The hour is now. Enter, my child. Bande kibulo tobue. Bande kibulo tobue. Damwe. Damwe. Damu menyo tobu populesie. Onde. Jika kena mua karya. Jika kena mua karya. Yahweh, 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 oh Lord, Yahweh, 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 oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh.
Hey, I just want to look for some time. You totally today. You want my child, yeah. Oh God, oh God, Mungano, oh yeah, oh yeah. Go! Shall be well with you. Okay, I'm going to go to the what is it? Nobody again. Oh God. Oh God. rubbish and get out of here. Out! I won't warn you again. Stop parading yourself.
How dare you!
Out! Back! Before I was rudely interrupted by your dogs. Stop parading yourself as the king of this kingdom, because you can never be king while I am still breathing. Ihanacho, the throne of Umike's kingdom can never be yours.
If you know the consequences of what you have just done, you would not have dared. My name is Igwe Akune Siobike. People don't threaten or point gun at me. I threaten people. That is what I do. I'm in charge, I'm in control. Ziola.
Princess Ziola!
Oh, shut up. Keep quiet. You're in my house. I am the king. But harassing my boys and trotting a gun at me. Well, once you don't have respect. Today is your lucky day. I will take this to be an exhibition of ignorance. The next time you do it, I assure you that you would not see the sun rise again. I am king. I am king. My word is law. My word is power. My word is authority. Get out of my premises right now.
I presume you do not know who you are messing with. One more smart move from you against my warning, Ihanacho. I will kill you and then the consequences.
Boys, I've had enough.
Come on,
throw this thing out of my house. Now, move!
1 inch close to me. I will blow your heads off. Ihanacho, you think I came here to play, right? You think I'm joking? Wait!
I told you that people don't trot guns at me. Do you have more bullets? I guess not. Akachi!
Okay.
Ziola, it is often said that a stubborn fly follows the corpse down the grave. Your life and that of your family are in my hands, and I will take it whenever I deem it fit. But today, I deem it fit to take yours. Oh no! What is holding us? He will soon be here. Let's just be patient.
Not he will soon be here. What is happening? No. Tell us what is going on.
Exactly, I don't understand. But I know soon he will be here. Let's just exercise patience. Let's be patient.
Or maybe you go and check yourself.
Greetings, my elders.
Greetings, my princess. We are supposed to have meeting with the king as regards the preparation for New Yam Festival. But we have been here for some minutes now. No one is talking to us. What is exactly going on?
Apologies, Onu. Apologies, my elders. Elders of our great kingdom. I am sorry, but it's quite unfortunate that the king, my father, will not be joining this meeting today. Because according to his doctor, he needs to be relieved of all stress. And as a result, he won't be attending to you today. But if it's an emergency, then I will step in as the first daughter of this household.
What?
Well, according to our law, in the absence of the king, I, the first daughter of this household, assumes authority.
Yeah!
Or is that not our law?
Hold on. Well, sorry, dear princess. Such delicate issues are to be discussed with the king himself. Alone, the king alone, and no other person.
So, we'll wait for him. For as long as it takes.
Very well then.
But can we at least see our king and know how he is doing?
Yes, at least let us see him.
My elders, I am sorry that will not be possible. We have to adhere to the doctor's instructions. Nobody except his immediate family can see him. Except you don't want your king to recover quickly.
Doctor said so.
Yes, my elder.
My elders, we have to listen to her. She lives with the king, and she is in a better position to tell us what he needs right now. So we can still plan for this. I suggest we converge as she advised. Let us go home and keep praying for our king. Speedy recovery.
Thank you so much, Onowu.
You're welcome.
My elders, permit me to take my leave.
Oh no!
Good night.
My lord, don't worry. You'll be fine. Nothing will happen to you. Just believe me, very soon you'll be on your feet once again.
Early enough, it will sponsor in the future. Who the hell does the girl think she is? Who the hell does she think she is to talk to us elders in that manner? After all, who are the people that made her father the king? What does she know about kingship?
Yeah, I think she's
No, what does she know about kingship?
Okay. I think she's just being childish. She's not being childish. Anyway, let us just wait until the king recovers. Then if I have anything to tell her, I will look her straight in the face and tell her, reduce her to size.
I don't understand. Is he not our king again?
No.
Or are we not supposed to see our king whenever or however we want to see him? We cannot allow this girl to do this and keep calm. We must discuss it. We must discuss it.
Imagine the effrontery. In the absence of my father, I am in charge. In charge of who and in charge of what?
Wonder.
Eh? Such stupid insults on others. I will deal with them. Anyway, that's it. Let the king recover first.
Elders, this is how it starts. This is how it starts. Yes. Don't bury the waters when it gets into the ankles. It will flow
Gradually.
until you get somebody drowned. We must stop this. We must stop it. Early enough. Before she creates a wrong picture of the kingdom, making it look as if the activities of the kingdom has become child's play. No, we must stop. We must cut her to size. We must tame her. We must stop this at once.
Bam! Anyway, let us see Onowu and let him know. Eh? We will discuss it further.
is already away.
We will discuss it further.
The thing is that is aware.
My princess, I had to stay back because I know this is important. I really want you to understand that the elders are the kingmakers. Please accord them with some respect next time and don't rub it on them. Next, as next in command, nature will do it. Respect is earned and not forced.
Oh no.
My princess.
I don't trust these people. I see them as people who will relapse at any given opportunity. So from onset, I need them to see and know that I am prepared.
My princess, I will always stand by you. But I will want you to understand that wisdom is preferable to direct. Soon, the king will soon be on his feet and everything will fall back to normalcy. That's, I believe.
Thank you so much, Onowu.
You're welcome.
Thank you for always watching my back and standing by the royal family and I. May the gods bless you. The king is getting better. He's recovering speedily. I didn't just want these people to see him until he is fully recovered. So they don't cajole him into making decisions that is not right for the people.
I understand you, my princess. That is why I always say that the gods bestowed you with great wisdom. And they will always guide and protect you.
You see, you can see the king before you go. He's waiting.
That's okay. Thank you.
Thank you once more.
this can be happening now?
Damien.
Hello, boss. I couldn't find him. I guess he escaped before I arrived at the hotel. Hello? Hello? Boss? Boss? Deep shit. No. I'll get him.
Speak.
I'm sorry, boss. I got trapped in traffic. I'll get him. I promise.
What did you say?
I got trapped in traffic, boss. It's a promise, I'll get him.
That will be in the afterlife. Idiot. Akachi.
Okay.
Clean this mess up. You hear me?
Yes, boss.
Take him far away from my community. I don't want his blood on my land.
Yes, boss.
I was informed that my father's medication was not given to him this morning. And whose job was that supposed to be?
Nonye? You? How dare you? You of all people knows I do not condone nonsense when it comes to my father. Oh, you were paid. No. Who paid you and how much were you paid? No, you were paid to kill my father.
Princess, I can never do that. I can never.
Will you shut that thing you call him out before I have you beheaded? Hey! Guards! Guards!
I beg of you.
Yes, my sister.
I beg of you.
The next time I tell you twice. Lock her up. Deny her food and water till I think otherwise.
Get your hands off her and let her be. Please, my daughter, I crave your indulgence to tamper justice with mercy and forgive her. She has been of good conduct. Whatever thing that made her make this mistake, I believe is of a good reason.
Mother, she is not here to make mistakes.
I know. She won't repeat it next time.
Please tamper justice with mercy. Please.
Thank you, Chi. Because the next time you try this nonsense, you won't be this lucky. Now get out.
Thank you, my daughter. Make sure such won't repeat itself again. You understand? Now get up.
Thank you.
To your duty post.
Hey, babe. Omali Chamwa. What are you saying? I have missed you more, my love. I can't wait to see you. I cannot wait to see you. I have missed you. Biko. You're at the airport. Okay. When are you boarding? Is that so? Alright. Sweetheart, please forgive me. I will not be able to come to the airport to get you. I'm rushing off. I have to get somewhere. It's business. It is impromptu. It is impromptu. I know that I told you that I'll get you, but it's impromptu. I have to take care of things. Omali Chamo, you know that you're my number one. How can I take our love for granted? It's just business. But listen, I assure you, the boys will be there. Oh, they'll be there. Listen, they'll be there minutes before you touch down. They'll get you. Oh, of course. Hey. Listen, I want you to come straight to the village house because we have a couple of events to attend as a couple, and I just want you close. A lot is happening this period, and I really want you by my side. Kai is my wife. I promise. You'll not stay for too long. I promise. Yes. All right, honey. I wish you journey mercies. Okay? Bueno. Blow you kisses from here. See you soon. Yeah, bye. Whew.
I will stand by you, baby. I will love you till the end. Amba, kumonu amba. I will stand by you, baby.
You mad? You coward! Nothing but a coward! You're just a maple.
Emenike. How the mighty has fallen, Emenike. I told you that no one double crosses me. And this town and lives to tell the story. But you wouldn't listen.
You hear now, Joe or Akim?
Quiet! Around this town, Emenike, I am like a god in this game. I hear that you have been stubborn. I hear that you have chosen not to cooperate. But I have come. I am going to give you another chance at life. Give me the names of the persons that you connived with to steal my consignment.
Ihenacho or Aku, you are nothing but a coward and a riffraff.
You're a family man. You have a beautiful wife and children expecting daddy to come back home. You don't deserve to die like this. Give me these names. I go home. You go home. Everyone is happy.
Oh, you waste much of your time. I'm already prepared to die. I'd rather die like a lion than to live like a coward that you are. You go to hell and kiss the devil ass.
Same thing the people who died before you said. I am going to apprehend these other people just the same way that I got you. Give me these names and leave. Hello, Your Majesty. I greet you. Oh, I'm fine. I'm in town.
I wish my hand is free. I should have eaten you like a crackers. Go to hell and eat. Kiss my ass.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm in town. Huh? Taking care of business, Your Majesty. You need my attention. I'll be with you soon at the palace. See you then.
You are lucky.
Akachi.
I wish my hand is free. I would have eaten you like a crackers.
Chief Yanacho, you are welcome. It is only an ungrateful person who will see all you've been doing for this community and felt appreciated. Even the blind man can see it and attest to it. The scholarships, the schools, our young men you took overseas, the water borehole, name it. You are of immense help to the community. I thank you so much for all that you have done so far for this community. It shows you have immense love for your people. And I pray that God Almighty will replenish you. Thank you so much.
Thank you too, my king. Thank you. It actually feels very good to hear you say these things to me. And truly, yes, I have immense love for my people. Like you said, they are my people. And I love them so much. Therefore, their welfare is of utmost priority to me. Igwe. I am also thankful to Chukwu Okike Abiyama for empowering me to do all the things that I have been able to do for my people. Makana ịmara ndị Igbo kwuru okwu wee sị na akụ lue ụnọ amala onye kpatara ya. Ana afọ m bụkwara akụ na-esi obi ike. Ịfana m abatago. Ọ ga-ana adịla anyị mma.
That is why I invited you to, on behalf of this royal home and the entire community, to say thank you.
You're welcome, my king. You're welcome. I have not seen my cousins and Lolo.
Oh. Lolo and my last daughter went to see their grandmother. And they are not back yet.
Is that so?
And Princess Zola left since morning. I haven't seen her. You know, she's a strong woman.
Ah, that one. Princess Zola. Very strong.
Very strong.
Ah, very, very strong. I would have really loved to see her.
Certainly.
Igwe. Thank you very much.
That's very okay.
For the warm reception and encomium. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you. Like I said, the people are my first priority. As long as God continues to give us life, I will continue to do my best to ensure that our community, our great community, becomes an enviable one. A place that people from all walks of life would like to visit. Igwe, you let me run. My wife is returning from vacation today. Oh yes, I want to be home when she gets there. You know how women can be. When she comes back, she wants attention.
That's okay.
Any other time you let me on more than once, you will lose your job.
I'm sorry, my princess.
That must be my queen or Princess Yola walk driving in.
Okay.
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my princess. In fact, I was talking with Chief Ihanacho when you drove in. And he's been wanting to see you. I beg to take my leave while you discuss.
Thank you very much for your time, my king.
Thank you so much.
Such an amiable man.
Chief Ihanacho.
Ako Nesiobi. Ako Nesiobi Ike. That's the name.
Quite a pleasant surprise.
I'm sure it is.
You didn't notify anyone of your visit. My father didn't tell me anything as regards your coming. And that's quite unlike him. So is there something I should know?
Yes, actually there is something you should know. You see, aside your father being the king of this community, he's also my uncle. And that gives me the liberty, given my position in his life, to come here when I deem it fit.
My father is old and sick. And in his absence, I am next in command. And I should be informed of everything that goes on in this palace, including who visits and every discussion that happens.
I get that.
There are certain things my father should not be bogged with at this time of his life. So with all due respect, what do you want?
I'll tell you, Ziola.
Princess Ziola.
I'm a very busy man. I didn't just show up here. Your father invited me here in my capacity as a philanthropist to come discuss the way forward for this community. That's why I'm here.
Philanthropist. Well, like I said, I should be informed of everything every discussion, every visit that happens in this palace. I am sure you got the message. Ihanacho.
Akachi, Ako, Inesiobi, get the engine running. I hear you. But you see me again.
Father, you know I don't like it when he visits. He claims to be your nephew and a good son of the soil. Yet he goes around telling people that he virtually does everything for your reign. Not as if you can't do those things or you've not done bigger things than what he has done. Father, you see, such a person should never be trusted around you. As long as I'm concerned, Father, Ihanacho has an ulterior motives behind everything he's doing.
Oh, come on. Spare me that. Can't somebody do something for the kingdom without having any ulterior motives? Ziola?
Father, you see, this right here is the problem. Father, you give people too much room to invade your privacy. You trust them too much. Father, as long as I'm concerned, you laid the foundation of who he is today. So he is giving back to you. When his father couldn't train him in school, you were the one who picked him up, trained him in school. And when he was done, you sent him abroad for his masters. After his masters, Father, he came back and you introduced him to the business till he broke out. So whatever he's saying now, you laid the foundation of who he is. So he's not doing you a favor, Father. He is giving back to you. I'm sorry, Father, if I raised my voice. But I just want you to open your eyes. Open your eyes and see Ihanacho for who he truly is. He's a pretender, and I don't want him to have the notion that we are not united here. I need us to be united. I need us to be on the same page so we can face this head on before it gets late.
I need to rest now, Zella.
Father.
Zella, I need to rest.
Yes, Father.
My daughter, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. My father, you have been keeping to yourself lately. May I know what is wrong with my father?
Good question. Well, it's all about the palace. The king, Princess Ziola, and the entire royal household.
What about them?
Urenna, my daughter. You know, I hardly feel this way. But whenever I have this feeling, it's always turned out to be true. But I can't place it. Recent feeling I'm having regarding the royal household is not a good one. Especially now that the king's health is failing him.
Father. Princess Ziola, my friend, is a strong and courageous woman. She's equal to the task and she has proven it. Having you around her will help ease her stress. And to be good for her. Why not share whatever it is you're feeling with her? Please?
I will, but not yet.
Okay, fine.
I think I have to find out exactly what this is all about. I will. Trust me.
So can you cheer up for me?
Thank you.
It's okay now.
See who's home. Boy, I have missed you. See how fine you look. This vacation did some good for you. You're looking all hot and stuff.
Thank you.
You enjoyed yourself.
Oh, I did.
While I'm here hustling.
I did, and all thanks to you, my darling husband.
What is it again? What is with the face? You just got out of the plane. You just got in here. You just got home. You're gaining.
Baby.
Hey, baby what? You just got home. You want to make another demand. You want to go on a different vacation.
No, I'm just wondering when you start coming with me for vacations.
Okay, soon. Is that why your face is like
Remember the last romantic trip we had was during our honeymoon?
I remember. And I promised that I'll make our time for another one. It's just that you know your husband. You know how tight my schedule is. I'm here. I'm making money to ensure that I build a solid financial foundation for all of us. Maybe build a very strong empire for our generations yet unborn. Money is important, but I hear you. I'll make our time. I'll make our time. I'll take you somewhere and spoil you. Me too, I want to go and come back looking fresh. Like you. You're enjoying my money. I'm here. All worked up. But by the way, I missed you. My waist is stiff. Come and oil me up. Let's go upstairs. I come and talk. You keep walking. Let me be looking at my container. Look at that. You showed me upstairs now how much it is. You leave me here high and dry. Don't know that I need oil.
Is everything alright? Papa, I'm talking to you.
I heard you the first time, Amarachi.
So why?
Why what? Why what? Can't I have some quiet hour in my own house? My friend, go away from here.
Papa.
Let me be. Let me be.
Papa, what is happening? Have I done anything wrong? What is it? Why are you always doing this with me?
My king, at least listen to me and see reasons with me first. Please.
I've told you, and I'll still say it again. I'm not marrying another wife. This is not a do or die affair. Besides, our life is not dependent on this to succeed. The two daughters the gods has given to us are okay by me. I will not want to bring another woman into this palace to cause trouble just because I wanted a son. Princess Ziola has proved herself worthy to hand over this throne to what is successor. Peradventure, I join my ancestors anytime soon.
Yes, we all know she is, and even more. But she is still a woman. How will people perceive it? It may not go down well with them. Seeing a woman ruling them till a successor comes.
If they can't, so be it. Let another person take it. This is not a do or die affair. Besides, our life is not dependent on this to succeed. I am not bringing another woman into this house as a wife. My decision is final. I need some rest.
So mother still worries father about that. After all we talked about. Does she think I will sit back and watch the throne of my father move out of this family to the wrong hands? Is that what she thinks?
I don't really blame her. I understand mother's plight.
There is nothing to understand. You know, it's like mother underestimates what I am capable of doing. You know, I need to remind her that I am still Princess Ziola. The dreaded, brave, unshakable and capable princess of this land. Maybe that way I will kill her doubt.
Listen, she knows. She's just being caring. You understand? So you will not get hurt or get into a very toxic life in this palace. She knows all of this.
Life itself is a battle. We should always be ready to fight and conquer at all times. Leave me to it, I'll talk to mother. You can go.
Sister, please.
I said you can go.
Very well then.
This fool will not pick up. He will not pick up. Funny. He thinks that he can get away with this. He does not know who he's trifling with.
Baby, can you let this slide and come to bed?
Come to bed and do what? I'm asking you, come to bed and do what?
Relax.
And what would relaxation do for me right now? I'm asking you, Lydia. You want me to come to bed and sleep? And possibly have sex with you. You have an orgasm. And then you doze off or you're happy. How about me? I'm sitting down here. Worried. What? You cannot see the veins on my head. A contract that I have spent a lot of money on. Money invested in millions. But local and foreign currency, gone. Some idiot that I give a lot of money to for us to execute a contract is on the run right now with my money. You're telling me to come and have sex? Oh yes, that's what it is. What do you mean relax? Please, don't make me raise my voice.
But it's gone already and there's nothing you can do to change it.
What did you just say? Say that one more time. No, wait one more time. It is gone already. What do you know about making money? No, what do you know about making money? This is how I sweat, I toil day and night to give you the life that you have. What do you know? You just live an exorbitant, flamboyant life. And it's gone already. How empathic is that? It's gone already. And so what? Please, excuse me. Don't baby me. Just leave me alone. Don't do it. Just go.
Love more. What can I do if you leave me alone?
Yanacho, what's the meaning of this nonsense? Huh? What's the meaning of this nonsense? You want to get me killed?
Kill you? Not so soon. Your day of death is not here yet. Or pretty soon though. Why would I want you dead now when you have not delivered on the deal? As much as I would like for that to happen, I still want you around.
Yanacho, you lost to Prince Raymond of Brass Kingdom. You should rest and let me have peace.
You know that contract belongs to me. You know the truth. Out of my benevolence, I brought you into a business deal so that you can feed yourself and your family. Or what did you do? You brought the Prince of Brass Kingdom, and both of you hijacked my deal. I am Obi. You have made an enemy of a lifetime in me. And when men make me their enemy, I begin to hunt. Oh, I hunt. I hunt until I hunt them down, until they breathe their last. I'm Obi. Do what you have done. I don't know how you're going to do it, but you are going to do it. Else I would show you why they call me the beast amongst men.
You failed. You failed, Ihanacho. But if you want it the hard way, bring it on. Do you hear me? Bring it on.
I am going to make your date of death even closer.
You want to ride the tiger's tail? Nonsense! Imagine!
It's good to see you again, Jason. Welcome. So,
Oh my God! What do we have here?
My queen.
Jason!
Yes, that's
Oh,
me.
you are really looking good.
Oh, thank you.
You've added much weight.
Really?
Yes, evidence of good living.
Ah, thank you.
And when did you come into the country?
Oh, last night.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, hope you got things for us.
Of course. So, how are you, my queen? You're looking good.
Oh, thank you. We are
And
good.
His Royal Majesty.
We are doing great, apart from the palace hustle and bustle. We are good. Okay, mother. Let me go call Zira. Let me get her.
So, how are you?
I'm good. And hope you brought something for us.
Yeah, of course.
there she is.
Here she is. Hi, sweetheart.
Look at me, baby.
Oh my God. I didn't see that.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good, I'm here.
I love birds. Let me go to my room. See you later.
Enjoy it, mother.
Hold on. Sweetheart. How come you didn't tell me you were coming into town?
You've always loved surprises, so I decided to give you one. I won't understand, right?
Well, you surprised me. I missed you so much.
Really? You need to tell me how much you
Well, please, go and sit down.
Really?
So, talk to me.
I understand your plight, elders of Umuikem. But we are not oblivious of the fact that she's still the princess, the king's first daughter. We should accord her the same respect we would have given to the son if he had one. Same respect we should give to her, regardless.
Oh no, you want to accord the same respect to who? No, to who? To Wanyi. Wanyi. Wanyi ne tukwe anyu mamere, can I accord the respect? Okay, Sako. I personally don't understand what you are saying.
I want us to understand that gender doesn't make any difference. Royalty matters.
Oh no, we know. What we are saying is that she is exercising more powers and authority than she should. You being the Onowu and Prime Minister of this kingdom is supposed to exercise such powers if the king is incapacitated. But I don't understand.
Oh no. Oh no. Let me tell you. The earlier the better. The earlier you take that conceited puppy you call your princess to the cleaners, the better for you. Because I, Izundo, I will not take any further insults from her. I will not.
It's okay. I will talk to her. But mind us that she's still the princess and has rights to certain things, regardless of gender.
Oh no, are you building or you are destroying? No, you make us believe as if you are that bird that constructs with its beak and destroys with that same beak. What are you talking about? Okay, what we want you to do is this. Talk to her. A few minutes ago, you just said something very meaningful here. And now you are sounding against it. Just talk to her. Simple. If you cannot, allow us handle it our own way. Is it not?
Okay.
This is unbelievable. I know you are the princess of this kingdom. But they should not deny you living your love like every other lovers out there. Jason is a good man. And you both have been together for years. He has not given you any reason to doubt his feelings for you. And you shouldn't be feeling this way.
Rena, really. I don't know what is wrong with me. I feel it's the stress here. Sometimes I feel my heart is hollow because I don't feel anything for anyone right now.
You see why I say you should live in the moment? Tomorrow will take care of itself. My princess, you overbore yourself with the affairs of this kingdom, and that's not nice. It's not good for you.
I am the first child of my father. The princess of this great kingdom. And my father does not have a son. So I don't want anyone to think they can do whatever they like or that orderliness cannot be maintained in this kingdom. Especially now my father is not feeling fine.
I understand, but you should take it easy.
What? What nonsense is this?
Princess, I'm sorry, it's a mistake.
How many times have I warned you all to be careful? If I punish you now, you will say I am wicked and inconsiderate. Whereas you know I do not tolerate nonchalance to walk. Now get out and get us another drink.
Thank you, my princess.
Come on, Tyria. That was too harsh. It was just a mistake. Can you try and calm down?
I know. I do not want them to think we are weak. Especially not in the palace. Everyone has to be up and doing.
You should take care of yourself. Try and calm down.
Rowena, please. I am not in the right frame of mind.
Listen to me. Save it if it's not what I want to hear. Good. Good. Listen, how about the consignment? You have that one too. Good. How about the briefcase containing all the documents? You have it? Great. No, you cannot make that trip. Hold on. I'll call you tomorrow to tell you what next to do. Am I clear? Good. Hey, by the way, good job. Thank you. Amobi. Amobi. Ijimeti play. I'm going to ruin you. I am going to destroy what is left of your household. Amobi, I am going to make you beg for alms in this town, Amobi. Mwakiji wewu.
Ogugu! Oge nkịta ji isi ya n'ọkụ. Oge nkịta ji isi ya n'ọkụ. Ihe eli ọba. Abịa mee. Au! Ọzọkpa dị mma ije. Onye ụjọ na-eme mmanwụ. Mba nọ. A na-eje nyi eje. Ebe nwata na-ebe akwa atụ aka, nne ya nọkwa nso. Piano, ihe adegwegharị ọzọ bụrụ nne. Ọkwa azụ kacha rịọ na osimiri. Azụ kacha kwa rịọ na osimiri. Aknesobike, what do you seek from a great deity?
Ezemo, I am going to gift you the sum of 25 million naira. I want to become the next king of Umuikem community. I don't know how you're going to do this, but oh yes, you are going to do it. Fakunesiobike does not go back to what he wants.
Honestly, son, I long expected such declaration of interest from you. You see, you can see our king. He is weak. He's old already. And there is no way he can carry us forward anymore. Eligible person that can move us forward. And if that person happens to be my son, you, I will be the happiest person on this earth.
Thank you, Father.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm happy to hear this from you. You know, it gladdens my heart to know that you share in my vision.
We're always together.
And I promise you that together we are going to take Umuikem to greater heights. But having said that, something else worries me, Dad. Amara. Very disobedient. I don't know why she's that way. She has refused to listen to me. She has refused to take my advice for a better life.
My son, that one, I don't know where she is anyway. And I don't care to know where she has been. The truth is that I have a lot of important things occupying my head. So I have no time for her. So can we forget about her and let's forge ahead?
Oh, well, in that case, Father, back to more important issues.
Yes.
It's not like I do not have a laid out strategy, but I'd like to get your angle.
In that case, my son, in that case, you know that finally, you and I, we can now decide whatever we say is going to be final.
Father.
Sit down.
Father, why have you requested for my presence at this time of the night? We are here. We can always talk anytime.
Yes. Certain things demand urgency. And you must have to solve it immediately. I want you to learn patience. It's a great virtue. Love. And peace. Peace in the home is very golden. You got to be prepared even when the enemies are not knocking. So that when they eventually knock, you already have your home guarded.
Okay. Father, you have always said that to me. But seriously, right now, it's confusing to me. I don't understand.
It will be clearer by the end of our discussion if only you will kill curiosity and pay apt attention to your father. Death can come anytime, and a man lives only once. You are a strong young woman, and I believe in you. I love you, and I love your sister. I would not want to bring in another woman into this home to create problem just because I want a male child. If I die today or I die tomorrow, I'm dying a happy man. Very fulfilled man, because I have you as my child. I pray that the ancestors will continue to protect, guide, inspire, and lead you.
But Father, you are not going anywhere anytime soon. You will celebrate more Ofalas and see your grandchildren. Because that is our prayer for you every day.
Yes. Death is the debt to old life. And nobody knows when death is going to come back. All we need to do is to prepare ourselves. Right. And pleasing before our Creator. And wait for the ultimate journey home.
Father, your words scares me. Why are you speaking like this? I think we should retire now and rest. Tomorrow is another day. We'll continue with this discussion. But Father, I need you to know that I love you. You're the best father ever. If I ever have the opportunity to choose when next I come back to this world, I will choose you over and over again.
I love you too. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Come. I will see you tomorrow. I need to go inside and rest and commune with my ancestors.
You should.
As the king of this great kingdom.
Yes, Father. Good night, Father.
Thank you. Good night.
May you live long. Igwe.
May the gods forbid you from sitting on that throne while my father still breathes. How dare you, Ihanacho?
Take a very good look at that vegetable. Does he still look to you like he has what it takes to sit on this throne?
I command you right now to release my father! Release him and stop this!
Else what?
You will meet your doom!
I am doom itself. I am eternal damnation. I am the devil here on earth. Why am I even having this conversation with you, Ziola? You're a woman.
Princess Ziola!
And I have had just about enough of that nonsense. The next time you say that to me, I am going to... What am I saying? There's never going to be a next time. Because all of this ends right here. It ends today. I am king. I always wanted to be king. I am king! I am your king! I am king! Akune Siobike! My word is order. My word is law. My word is authority. My word is final.
I can never, ever be scared of you, charlatan! Now hear me. You do not and can never belong to this place. If you touch as little as... Try and touch as much as a hair of my father, I will fight you to death here, Nacho.
That's what I Oriako. Sweetheart. Where is this woman? She's probably standing in front of the mirror, checking if her wig is sitting right. Let me pour her a drink. Sweetheart. Aha. English people used to say speak of the devil, but you speak of the angel and you're here, my darling. We celebrate today. There's something to celebrate. You see, you know when you set a goal and you achieve it, and you stand back and you look at your achievement, I have a broad smile on your face. You celebrate. You and I are about to step into one of the greatest achievements of our life. Things are about to change around here. Our story is about to change. I'm telling you. My wife, celebrate with me.
Okay, so what are we celebrating?
Thanks for sharing. Drink first, I tell you. I bought this one in France. Original. I will tell you, calm down, woman. You women, you people are always in the hurry. Calm down. I will tell you. However, I will tell you. Like, it's a very long. Always in a hurry. Calm down. I will tell you. Am I not the one that invited you out? Look, relax. It's going to be a very long gist.
But let's start with you. You look beautiful.
Chike chikwa nefifio, mmiri gawolo balao, nibowa kwa mobio. Ebi kwekepeo, oshimiri gazanyo, nibowa kwa mobio. Love more, what can I do if you leave me all alone? Love more, onye kanga koro. Love more. What can I do if you leave me all alone? Love more. Onye kanga koro, onye kanga je kulukwano. No!
Keep quiet on me. Talk to me. Hey, my lord. My lord.
Father.
Your father is not talking.
Father.
He's not saying anything.
Father, please. Don't do this to us, please. Father. Please, talk to us.
Are you calling the doctor?
Mom, I'm trying its number. It's not connecting.
You have, hey, you have to call your no too.
Down.
Hey.
Can you keep it down, please? The two of you.
Calm down, how can I calm down? Father, mommy, talk to Father, please. Father, please. Don't do this to me. Eh? Don't do this to me. Look at your beautiful children. Please, my lord. Please. My lord, please talk to me. Have you gotten him?
Mom, please, I'm trying. It's not connecting.
You have to try harder. Hey. Bring your phone. You can bring your own phone.
Mom, talk to him now. Talk to him.
I'm talking to him. My king, my lord.
Please, can you? Please.
Where are you rushing to? Is everything okay?
I just got a call from the princess now that the king is not feeling too well. Take care of the house.
But let me lock up the house and go with you so I can be with my friend.
No, not yet. The elders have to be there first. Eh?
Okay.
I don't have time now. Okay. Let me rush.
Okay, Papa.
Papa, is this not the call you got to hurry to the palace because of the king? And you're here acting as if the meeting is not important.
Amarachi, what is your problem? Amarachi! Am I the doctor? Or am I the native doctor, the chief priest? Why won't you let me have some breathing space in this house? Can I have some breathing space because of you?
Oh, Papa!
No, but don't let me break your head with this walking stick. Nothing but.
Papa, this is unfair. This is not good. Whatever you and brother are planning to do counts me out. I can never be part of it. Never.
Who is counting you in before? No, is anybody counting you in as part of it? Do I blame you? You know, because I allowed you to keep eating in my house over years. All your mates are in their husband's houses. After all, when the benefits come out, you'll be the very first person to enjoy them. Huh? Where's the bidder? Open your mouth and close at will. All your mates are already in their husband's houses. And you're here making mouth.
Papa, change. This is not good.
Don't go and look for a man to hook. Do I blame you? Joy! Oh, our king, our king, our king. No. No! Oh, my own brother. One name.
No, nothing will happen to our Igwe.
Hi! No. Man, no. My brother.
Mad Igwe, mad. Nothing will happen to him. Nothing. No. The gods of our land will protect him.
Yes.
The gods of our land will save him.
Yes.
Nothing will happen to him.
Nothing.
Nothing.
See. Oh.
Doctor.
Doctor, please talk.
What is going on? Your Majesty, my princess. Oh no, I'm scared.
Scared of what?
We've lost him.
Huh? You did? We did what?
He has left us.
No. My husband cannot die.
What do you mean we lost him?
What? Hi! My king!
My father was healthy last night.
King!
Hi!
We talked.
Hi!
We had...
Digana.
We talked.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Mother.
Momu Anna. Momu Anna. Igwe. He was a good man. Oh, Anyama was Igwe here. Moana.
No.
Moana.
No. Hey! No, my own brother. Hey! Even come. Hey!
You go be the gada. Malo serious make him.
My king.
I'm just tired. What is happening? Because why? What do I go see where, man?
Hey!
Ew!
No, one can walk.
It's okay, my daughter. I know how much you love the king's family and the princess. But we have to be strong for ourselves. We have to be strong. As it stands now, there is a battle ahead. Let's stay strong so we can be there for them. Please, wipe your tears. I understand. It's okay. Let's go in now. Okay, let's go.
Son, when people say that the gods are wise, this is a practical example of it. Can you imagine the way the gods answered our prayers? But you know one thing, son?
Yes.
We shouldn't allow even a minute for that, so it doesn't get cold.
Oh, no, I'm ready. Oh, whatever it is they
we
want.
just have to kickstart immediately.
I'm equal to the task.
There is no time.
They want money, connection. I'm equal to the task.
I know what you can do.
I'm ready.
I trust you. I trust you, my son.
Yeah.
It is even cold. She goes out of the way this time. Yeah, because we need a young, vibrant, active, intelligent, exposed, potential youth to take over that throne.
Like your son.
Yes, like my son. That is you.
Like your son. Yeah. My spirit is excited.
Yes.
For whom we came with experience a new dawn. Something new is about to hit them.
I know. I trust you.
But, Papa.
Yes.
I want to talk to you about Tamara. Are you sure that girl is my sister? Are you sure you gave birth to her?
And what is it, my son?
There's so much negativity coming from her. And it makes me ask, are you sure she's my sister?
Yeah, Nacho. Your mother would have been in a better position to answer that if she had been alive at this moment. Yes, because honestly, it is obvious that Amara's behavior, everything about her, directly opposite ours. So I am afraid.
I don't understand that girl at all. I don't understand her. The negativity is too much. We have to speak with her father. I will not be able to deal with that level of negativity, not at a time like this. You know what we're working on? If she cannot be in my camp and be positive, let her stay out of my space.
Son, her case is just a minor one. Amara's case is a very minor case. I mean, the only place I have a little fear is the kind of relationship existing between the princess and the unknown. That is where I have this fear. I don't know, but there's nothing they can do anyway.
Oh, no. Those two, I have them here. Relax. I'll handle them. No one right now dares stand in my way. No one.
That is my son.
No one.
But I trust you. I know what you can do.
I'm a man on a mission. No one dares to stand in my way. I'll handle those two. Don't worry.
That is my son. Oh.
I'll handle you, no.
I wish your wife is here to celebrate with us.
Yeah, she should be back any moment from now. She went to town to take care of a few things.
Yes, I'm aware.
Yeah.
I'm aware. Oh, finally, this kind of day has come. This finally happened, right?
Yes.
Very soon. Okay. You see, when come, let me whisper to you, even though I just heard Lord.
Zuma, I really feel for these girls. I really feel for these girls that boss messes around with.
I mean, how can a man of this caliber be messing around with these small girls? This thing is not good now. Eh? How can he be doing such a thing?
That's a pedophile for you. It is their craving. Do you understand? It is their craving. But why do you bother? Something you have seen and lived with for so many years from him. Do you think he will ever stop? He won't, because it has hit him deep into him.
Hi. Now I know why he always sends his naive wife on a trip. And that one will be enjoying, thinking he's doing her one favor. He does that so that he will have enough time for his frivolities. I know, but this is bad of him.
Well, I don't care. It is his life. All I care about is my money here. You understand?
All you care is about your money. Because it never reach you. If it don't reach you now, your eye go clear. See, for me, I care. I care because I am the one he fronts all the time to convince these girls and their families that he's going to help them. But at the end of the day, he will litter them. See, let me ask you. You have sisters, right?
Yes.
Good. And you have a younger one?
Yes, I do.
What if one day your own kid's sister falls a victim? What will you do? How will you feel?
Akashi. Wait till you surprise me. When have you started mixing business with emotions? You have to separate it. Because it won't go well of boss to get to find out, you know.
Nah, anything will go happen, make it happen. I just feel for those girls. I feel for those girls. See, boss too past this thing now. He get any class of chick when my boss no fit carry. Why these small children?
Well, I don't care. I am here to make money. So forget this emotional attitude of yours. Do you understand? Be careful.
He go reach you, no worry.
All the small girls. You people can be so sweet. See how sweet you are. You're so nice. And you're fresh too. If not that you look very tired, I would have asked us to, just to do one more, but it's okay, understand? Next time. Why are you not talking? You're frowning. Why is your face like that? What is it?
You said you will help my family. And you promised to take care of my sick mother.
Now what? You have not left this place now. Are you worried? I will give you. You know what? Hold on. Take this first. This is 100,000 now. Look, I keep my promises. Huh? That is 100,000. Every other promise that I made to you, I am going to keep it. You are going to enjoy life with me. I'll take care of you. Anything you want, I will do. Just to make you happy. But on one condition. You see everything that has just happened here. You cannot tell anyone. You cannot. If you do that, I am going to kill you. It is very simple. Oh yes, it is a secret between me and you. You cannot tell your best friend. You cannot tell your family. I'll not only destroy you, I'm going to destroy your entire family. When this happened, it only happened between me and you. So it is supposed to stay that way. That's the only condition. But I assure you, if you can keep your part of the bargain, you'll enjoy life.
Yes, sir, I understand.
You understand? Good girl. You'll enjoy life. You see that money? It's a whole lot more where that came from. I'm actually thinking if you have rested enough, if we can just take one more. I have another bundle of 100,000 naira. Okay, 200,000.
Baby, I've told you to take this easy. Take it. Amanda and you, please. Take this easy. I know how close you are to your father. I know how close both of you are to him. But I don't think crying is of any use now, and I think the best solution is for you to be strong. Be strong, especially for your mother, the queen, for this community, for everyone that loves this community. You have to be strong for us. And for me too, I've always promised you that I'll stand by you. And I'll always be here for you, especially in this trying time. Please. Please.
My princess is right. Please stop crying. And you too, Princess Amanda. My princess, don't give those people out there the room to think that your father did not leave a worthy successor. Please be strong. Please.
He was getting better. He was recovering fast. He was so strong. Or maybe he wasn't that strong. Because the last time I had a conversation with him, his words were like a premonition of his own death. I don't know what to think.
Greetings, my princess.
What?
Chief Akwesasai. Thank you, princess.
Baby.
I will handle it.
Baby.
Here she comes. Look at that.
What do you want, Ihanacho?
I must say that you look resplendent, Ziola.
Princess Ziola.
Ooh.
And that will be the last time I will correct you.
My apologies, my princess. You must forgive me. Huh?
What do you want?
What do I want? I thought I was family. Last I recall, your late father, our deceased king, was my uncle. And both of us shared a very strong bond. I used to come here from time to time. But now that he's dead, it's only fitting that I come here to pay my last respect and wish his family farewell. Don't you think so?
I can see you have no atom of shame or remorse in you.
How?
You came to wish the family of the man you killed well. You wish him well and you took his life untimely. All for your selfish interest. Oh, you think I don't know? I know you too well, Ihanacho. I know all your gimmicks.
Now those are strong allegations and I take exceptions to statements like that being directed at me. You don't have your facts. But today, I'll let it rest. Today you mourn, today you hurt, so I'll let it go. For anything can be said when one is pained and hurt. So I'll go, and then I'll return. When you're saner, when you're more composed. Because I know how you feel. But please do not forget to send my warm regards to the Queen Mother and my little cousin, Amanda. Tell her that her big uncle was here.
You may have fooled my father, for he was naive, thinking you and your father had his best interest at heart, not knowing you were just a green snake in a green grass. Well, Ihanacho, I know you. I know you too well. Now let me tell you, I will make sure, even if it's the last thing I do, the last blood in my vein, I will make sure you pay for everything you have done to my family today. That is a promise and not a threat.
I know you don't know me. For if you know the man who stands before you, who he truly is, what he has done, where he has been, you would watch your words. For what you have just said here today may, or maybe not, be used against you on my judgment day. Watch your mouth.
Get out. Get out of my father's palace, my palace, and let this be the last time you set your foot into this palace. Ihanacho, you are banned from this palace because if I see anything that looks like you, get!
My princess.
If I ever see this man in this country, I will have you all beheaded.
You want that?
That bastard! That bastard killed my father. And he thinks I don't know. If I find out that he is responsible for my father's death, I will shoot him and tame the consequences. Nanajo, like I said to you, even if it takes the last drop of blood in my vein, I will bring you down. I will make you pay.
My princess, please calm down. You need to tread with caution. Outside my father, I know everything that happens in this community. Please use your wisdom. Please, I beg you.
Baby, I've always told you one thing. Never allow your enemy know your next step. Don't forget this. You need to calm down. Please. Please.
Please.
Please, take this easy. It's okay.
That what? That the princess threatened you? The princess threatened you? You know what, son? We are going to use those words against her. Each of the words she uttered, we must use against her now.
Calm down. You don't have to get irate.
No, I want to let her know the difference between herself and myself for the Nakashi.
Ah, Ziola is a baby. Relax. Huh? She's prancing around because she knows that I have her where I want her. Already, Papa. Relax. Calm down. Let us focus on our goal. When the time is right, I'll eventually get rid of her. Finally. But for now, we need to concentrate on getting the people to be on our side. And the Ono is an exception. Now I believe that by the time we have succeeded in doing all of that, kicking Princess Yola and her family out of that palace will not be a problem.
Yes. Yes, you are right, my son. You are right. Yes, because money makes things happen. Money moves the world. Money turns everything around. Yes. We are going to use money to buy their minds, buy their souls, buy their spirit, buy even their body, buy everything.
Now you're speaking my language.
My son, we will use what we have to get what we want. Yes. Yes, I think you have a point.
Now
there.
you're on the same page with me, Papa. But let me say this for the record.
Okay.
I love you.
I did not love you too, my king.
And I am happy that I have a father like you. For you are my strongest ally. I need you to know that. Nothing is going to stop me from becoming the king of this community. So what I need you to do is to get a hold of your emotions. Think. Tell me what we need. And I'll make money available from your end.
Okay. Yes, because you people say that when money talks, bullshit works. So, with money, I know what to do.
Yes.
Yes.
Biko, That should be the focus. Forget about the princess. Orphan couple.
I trust you.
The Englishman said what again? When money talks.
Bullshit. It works.
As long as there is money,
Yes.
bullshit will continue to work.
Eze kwesịrị. Nwa m jara kwe n'isi. Ya bụ igwe nwa m. Igwe. Yes. Ebute ego ka anyị mechie ọnụ.
You mean she said that to happen?
Yes, Papa. And she was so bold and fearless.
Well, I have always known that she's bold and fearless. You know, but my advice is she shouldn't have reacted that way. Even if he has a hand in the king's death, he can begin to use this medium to clear his end, to avoid any suspicion.
Really?
Yes.
So, Papa, he could actually be responsible for the death of the king, and the people will allow him roam the streets free. How is that even possible? I mean, is that how afraid and naive our people are?
My daughter, everything is possible these days. But we cannot hold someone just on a mere allegation. Yes, we need evidence. And until that is proven, that is why I said she should keep her cool and silently look for evidence on the ground. Yes.
I'll talk to her, Papa, and I pray she listens. Because she's really frustrated and so bad at the same time.
Too bad.
Mother, could it be that Uncle Ako has a hand in Father's death?
I don't know. But your sister has always hated him and suspects him to be evil. The reason best known to her. Your father sees it from the other way around. So, I can't just tell. I can't tell.
There has to be a way out, Mother. We need to find out something.
Yes, very soon. The elders will find out from the chief priest. They are already at it. Then we will have to know what exactly happened.
And what if he has a hand in it?
Then he has to pay dearly for it. Though I wouldn't tell why he would do such a thing. That is, if he has a hand.
You know, Sister always suspects him of having his eyes on the throne because this family has no male child.
I told your father. I pleaded with him to take a second wife, but he refused.
Mother, please. Please, not again. Father did all of that because he loved you and wouldn't want any other woman to come in here and reap from where she did not sow. I trust Sister. The throne cannot leave this family without prior reasons from the gods, as it should be. So please, enough, Mother, please.
She is still a woman, regardless.
I believe there's always a way out. Sister knows what to do.
Ezemo! I see your hand. That is why I have come to show appreciation. I have come to show gratitude. Hi, Ezemo. You have made me happy. But we'll have more work to do. For we'll have a greater task ahead. Ezemo. You know that very soon they would come. They would come to ask questions, but I do not need to tell you what to do, for I know that you know what to do. Huh? I do not need to tell you what to do, for I know that you know what to do. Huh? We cannot stop. We must continue, for I have to become king. Oh yes, I have to become king of Omwikem. That is the goal. There's a more.
Agreso bike. Oke nwa na mulora.
Ogene.
Adesi bongo. Onu da na eme mmanwu. Of course on the same page. Onu na-eri elibego. Odigwe committed. Odro me kwago. The mouth that started eating should not be stopped. Surely they will come. I've seen it already. But don't you worry. I will handle them. Maka newu nyoke enyi iki ya aba.
Ezemo.
Akuresi obi ike.
You know that I reward loyalty. You know that if you continue to blow my trumpet, I am going to make you stand tall, head and shoulders above your peers. I will make you the richest Ezemo of your generation. If you make me king. Ezemo. This is a token of appreciation. But in addition to this, I'll give you 5 million naira when I become king.
Agreso bike. Oke nwa na mulora. Ogini na-eme. Onu da na-eme mmanwu. Drop it here. Agreso bike. Oke nwa na mulora.
God I see.
You are king already. Go and celebrate. You are king already.
I will hear from you.
I know a day of reckoning will come. But I have soiled my hands already. And this fool do not know what awaits him. What do I do? I guess I have to continue. I have to continue. Whatever happens, let it be. Or is it Kalaka? Libogidi.
Ezemo, you know I have so much respect for you. But why do I have the feeling you are not telling us the whole truth? You know you cannot lie before the royal family and the king's throne.
Stop it, Ziora. Take it easy.
Mother, I know what I am saying. Anyone can be bought, manipulated and compromised. I know Ihana Cho very well. And you know we cannot vouch for the Ezemo considering his history. Remember?
With all due respect, my princess, I am the eyes of the gods. The affairs of this royal home and the entire community which I protect should be my utmost priority. Why should I lie against the king, my own king and the royal family? I do not know the history you are talking about. But I must warn, stop listening to rumors. He is innocent. The gods did not find him guilty in any way. And if the gods review anyone, and anyone responsible for the king's death, I believe you should be the first to know. Mother director not it. It is you do. Let's not start war in this palace because of this. I've already seen. I'm seeing it already. Where all this is heading to.
Well, Ezemo, I am prepared.
Stop it, Ziola. Show some respect to Chief Priest.
So how do you explain my constant dreams? Because those are not mere dreams. Those are revelations. How do you explain it, Ezemo?
Well, my princess, it's a mere hallucination. A thought you harbor for so long in your subconscious mind. Let me warn you. Be careful of your choice of words on people, because they may backfire. I remain the eyes and the mouthpiece of the gods of this land. I will leave now, but I shall come back to you with more message from the gods. Peace be with you. May the gods and our ancestors guide and protect you. Stay well.
It breaks my heart to see you go through this, my love. It hurts me deep inside of my heart.
Allow me! Allow me! Allow me! I have a busy day. What is it? What do you want?
Honey, I need to talk to you.
About what?
I need you to create time for us to talk. We need to talk.
What do you want? Tell me. You want some money? No problem. I'll get one of them. You just should have just told me you want money. I'll tell them at the office to wire some money into your account, and then that's it.
You think everything has to do with money? I don't need money. I need to talk to you. I do not need your money.
You don't want money? Ah, no. You have to want money. Oh. Every woman wants money. How can you not want money? Ha! You don't want money. Now that throws me into a state of confusion, because right now I don't know what do you want me to do? To stand here and be looking at your face? See your face! So you want me to stand here now and start looking at your face? Come on now, eh? I know you're beautiful, but there is time for everything. Now there is time. It's time for me to walk and go. Even the Bible says that there is time for everything. Eh? Look, I know you're a fine woman. Oh, you're very beautiful. One of the finest living things that I have seen in my life. And that's why I married you. Used you to, decorate my house. So that I can look at you once in a while. See how you look like a well-made-up mannequin. You're beautiful. I know. But let me go and work. It is money that I use to maintain you. Let me go and work. I have meetings with people. Let me go. What do you want? You want me to look at your face? Okay, we can do that when I come back from work. What is it?
When are we going back home?
Ha! I said it. Marriage is a terrible idea. Now you're asking me when I'm coming back to my house. But look, woman, I'm going out. When I finish what I'm doing, I come back home. When I finish what I'm doing, I come back home. Huh? Will I sleep outside? Of course I'll come back to this house.
This is village. I mean city.
Oh, that one. Is this what this is about? Look, if you want to go to a house in the city, get one of the drivers. They will take you 1 hour 30 minutes, 2 hours maximum. You go, you come back that same day because you have to come back home and be servicing me. You cannot leave me here. But I'm not saying you cannot touch and come back. Do you understand? For now, I have things that I am doing here. You understand? And it requires that I am here. You know I'm very traditional. I'm a son of the soil. So I'm here taking care of a few things. Let me take care of it. When I'm done, we can go back to the city. But for now, you know, we're here.
So this thing I hear about you having interest in the throne is true?
Who said that to you? Well, look, Lydia. This is a matter that we can discuss later. At the usual time when a man and the wife discusses very pertinent matters. So under the duvet, naked at night, we'll talk about it. But right now, let me go and walk. I have people waiting for me. Relax, everything worries you. We'll talk about it. Let me go.
Akaji. Okay.
What can I do if you leave me all alone? Love more. Onye kanda koro, onye kangeje kulukwanu. Love more. What can I do if you leave me all alone? Love more. Onye kanda koro, onye kangeje kulukwanu. Anyama forgive, obi ma fuguda. Apanya burugo nderio anyama fugife obi masugoda igirigi nansogo apanya burugo nderio chike chikwa nefifio miriga wolo balao ni bawa kwa mobio ebi kwekepeo oshimiriga zanyo ni bawa kwa mobio. Love more. What can I do if you leave me all alone? Love more. Onye kanda koro, onye kangeje kulukwanu. Love more. What can I do if you leave me all alone? Love more. Onye kanda koro, onye kangeje kulukwanu. Anyama fugifa, obi ma fuguda. Igirigi nansogo, apanya burugo nderio. Anyama fugifa, obi ma fuguda. Igirigi nansogo, apanya burugo nderio.